Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Take your coat off, take a load off, and stay a while. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. I promise you, you will not regret it, okay? You will not regret it. Your girl is back again with another video. Today's video is a little bit all over the place, but you know, as I told you guys, I was back and I'm here regardless. Today's video, I wouldn't call it a tutorial. Like, I know that's in the title, but I definitely wouldn't call today's video a tutorial. So this was my very first time doing this braided ponytail, and child, okay, first of all, I made all types of mistakes, but I was like, why not record it and show you guys? Like, sometimes us hair influencers don't get it right the first time. Because I was trying to keep it in for 2 weeks, but girl, it's coming out today. It's coming out today! But yeah, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but it's not the best. And hopefully you guys learn from it. But yeah, pretty much what you guys are doing, you're just watching me do this ponytail look for the first time. I am not true to this. I am new to this, okay? And it shows, love, it shows. You guys asked for this video because you guys saw my picture on Instagram, so I made a video for y'all. If you guys wanna watch and see how I did this look, how I put this look together, very amateur look. Very amateur look together, then keep watching.
So I'm starting off on some freshly washed and freshly blow dried hair. Fresh hair is the best hair, and as you guys can see, I am just admiring my inches, period, because your girl's hair is growing. I need a trim though, but yes honey, my hair is growing. Sometimes it's kind of hard for me to tell that my hair is growing because I'm just like, it looks the same, but I have to just compare pictures, and then that's how I really see the growth. But yeah girl, anyways, so I am just parting that back section with my fingers. As you guys know, I have very thick hair, and in order to make my hair lay nice, flat, and neat in this ponytail, I must work in smaller sections and moisturize and gel down each section. And I'll be doing that with the Design Essentials Almond Avocado Daily Moisturizing Lotion and the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel. So now I'm just detangling that back section with a wide tooth comb just to make sure everything is nice and smooth and detangled. Now I'm adding some of that moisturizing lotion to my hands, just a little bit, and I'll just be applying it to the very roots of my hair, not the ends, just the roots of my hair. Now I'm adding some gel to that section just to make sure everything lays nice and smooth. And again, only adding it to the very roots of my hair, so like the perimeter of that section. I'm grabbing a boar bristle brush, or any brush will do to be honest, and I'm just smoothing the product through my hair. Alright, now I'm grabbing a small elastic band and tying that section in one. Alright, moving on to the next section. Again, I'm just parting my hair with my fingers. I prefer my fingers over a comb any day because it just eliminates extra shedding for no reason. And again, I'm just detangling that section with a wide tooth comb, making sure my hair is thoroughly detangled. Adding some moisturizing lotion to the roots of that section. Also, the reason why I'm doing this is because the thickest part of my hair is my roots, and it loves to stand up and act crazy. It's a little bit more defiant than the rest of my hair. So I like to add a moisturizing lotion and then a gel just to help set my roots in place. And now I'm adding the Eco Styler gel, and just a little bit goes a long way. Alright, again, just adding it to the very perimeter of that section. And now I'm grabbing my brush and smoothing those two products through my hair. now tying that section into a ponytail as well. So guys, I'm just repeating those steps over and over again until all of my hair is laying smooth and flat into that ponytail. And this is the rough draft. This is not the final form of the ponytail. You will see as we move on in the next steps, my hair laid a little bit flatter and it's a little bit more sleeker than the last time. So yeah, and I will come back to you once I'm finished. All right, so now I'm at the very top of my hair, and as you guys can see, my ponytail is laying so much flatter and smoother than what it was looking like initially. As you guys can see, like there's a lot of flyaways just all over the place, but we gonna get that together just now. All right, so now I'm going to lay down those flyaways with one of my favorite edge controls, which is the Style Factor Edge Booster. And I'm just taking a little bit in my hand like that and just smoothing that top layer of my hair, you know, and that's just gonna get rid of the majority at least of the flyaways. All right, and now I'm adding my Got To Be Freeze Spray just to set my hair in place and to dry it quickly. I'm using my blow dryer on the cool setting, and this is just going to help with the longevity of the style because I'm trying to keep this style in for 2 weeks. Keyword trying. This is my first go round, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go. And I'm just brushing that freeze spray through, just making sure it's evenly distributed throughout my hair. And again, just locking it into place with that cool setting. All right, once that's done, we're moving on to edges, honey. This is one of my favorite things to do when I'm doing my hair. I like to take my time with it. I'm not that creative when it comes to my edges. I like to keep it cute and simple because, child, first of all, no. My baby hairs, I don't really have baby hairs, guys. I kind of force it. So I cut the edges of my hair so I can have baby hairs because my hair naturally grows pretty even. Yeah. So your girl's not getting too creative because I ain't cutting that much more hair off, period. 2 swoops on each side and one at the top, and I'm good to go. I'm just tying my hair with my head tie just so all the products that I've added into my hair can dry down and lock into place. And I usually do this for anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so now that everything is dry, we gonna move on to the back section. So now I'm just detangling my hair in the very back, just getting it ready to be braided in that ponytail. So I'm adding some moisturizing lotion just to moisturize my ends. I'll be using the Xpression 100% Canacolin braiding hair, and I'll be using 1.5 packs in the color 1B. I didn't get the pre-stretched hair, so I had to feather it myself, and this is what it looks like when I was done. Child, I didn't know what I was doing. As I said before, this was my very first time doing this style. I didn't know what I was doing, but it looked feathered enough to me. So now with that elastic band that comes with the hair, I'm just adding the braiding hair to my own hair, and then trying to section it equally to 3 parts. So I'm sectioning my own hair in 3 parts and then sectioning the braiding hair in 3 parts. But child, that didn't work out. Yeah, that didn't work out, and y'all about to find out in the next clip.
Yeah, y'all, this is what it's looking like. Okay, listen. My mom had to do the beginning part because your girl wasn't getting it. This hair really tangles up. As you guys can see, my braid is not perfectly even, but I don't care at this point in the game. I am exhausted.
In this clip, I'm just showing you guys how long my braid is and where I'll be tying the elastic band to hold the braid together.
Okay, so before you braid this hair with your own hair, make sure to take out a separate piece, because I don't know if you guys can see, but this is looking crazy. I know it's looking crazy because I can feel it. All right, so I know it's looking crazy, but we gonna hide all of that, okay? We're about to hide all of that. I'm just brushing it out, getting the hair ready to be wrapped.
So I'm just spraying some of that got to be spray at the very top of my hair, and then I'm going to wrap the braiding hair around it just so it's able to stay in place and kind of hide the bulkiness of the braid as well. And I'm just going to use a bobby pin to secure the ends in place. Alright, and I'm just doing the exact same thing to the next side, spraying some got to be and wrapping the hair around the braid. And then once I get to the end, again, spray some got to be. And then secure it with a whole bunch of bobby pins. Okay, as you guys can see here, I know it's looking rough. It's looking rough because it's my first time. It's my first time. We ain't got no hairstylist. It's Corona time. We trying to make the best of it all. So yeah, I did it myself.
All right, guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. The girl tried her best. I tried my best. It was my first time around. I tried my best. The next time I do it, it's gonna be so much better, I promise. It's gonna be so much better. Let me know in the comment sections below if you guys like the look and how it turns out. And also, if you have any tips for me on how I can do better next time, let me know, because your girl needs some help, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Share this video with everyone and anyone that you know, and I will be seeing you guys in the next one.